Hi, I'm Christina. I'm smack dab in the middle of a 3-week-long adventure all across Poland. I've already seen the bustling cities of Krakow and Wrocław, the charming towns of Zakopane and Gniezno, and even the colorful village of Zalipiye. But now it's time to explore a bit more of Poznan before I move on.
Good morning! I just finished packing and I am looking outside and it is raining cats and dogs. Don't know if you can hear that. My plan today was to catch a little bit of Poznan before I head on to my next city. I don't know how well this is gonna go. I'm going to drop off my bags at the train station in some lockers so I don't have to come all the way back to my accommodations, and crossing my fingers that the rain isn't too miserable and I'm able to see like a few sights today. I don't have a rain fly for my camera, so don't know how much I'm going to be able to capture, but I'm gonna try. Let's hope this day works out for me. I'll catch you guys later. I've made it down here to Old Market Square, and I must say, I think this is my favorite square that I've been to since I've been in Poland so far. It is so adorable. All the buildings are so cute, and there's tons of frescoes painted on them. I guess one of the great things about being here in crappy weather is the square is almost completely empty. It's like I have it all to myself. There's 4 fountains, one at each corner of the square, and they're so pretty. There's one over here that's holding a lyre, and I'm kind of excited about it because I was in a sorority in college and the lyre was our symbol, so that's really cool to see. I'm lucky that I got a little break in the weather. It was pouring cats and dogs when I got to the train station, so I decided to go through the mall. If you haven't noticed that all of the main train stations here in Poland seem to have giant malls attached to them. So I went to TK Maxx, I got myself a cheap umbrella, nice and yellow, so you can see me. I'm just gonna have a little look around here, so keep going, seeing what Poznan has to offer. Just now, I was seeking refuge from the rain. I saw the Basilica Minor, and I decided to go in and take a look. And oh my God, guys, I was completely blown away. In true Baroque style, it was absolutely magnificent. The frescoes on the wall were beautiful, and there was this dome painted into the ceiling. It wasn't actually a dome, but it was an illusion of the fresco, and it looked like it went on so high. I had to keep staring at it to even notice that it wasn't even real. It was really hard to rip myself out of there, partly because of the rain, but also because of just how gorgeous it was. And realizing it was a little difficult to film in the rain, I'm trying to juggle the camera along with my umbrella so I don't get the camera wet. I'm trying my best here, guys. I will try to get a few more snaps here in Poznan, but I think Mostly I'm gonna go get a coffee, try to find something to eat, and just relax before I take my train out. I'm really sad that the weather wasn't very cooperative today, but I'm glad that I came down here, was able to see just a little bit of Poznan before I left. For lunch, I found this restaurant that only served kopytka, which is a Polish potato dumpling similar to gnocchi. Here it was served with a sweet and spicy Asian sauce, and of course you can't forget a side of pickles. It was absolutely delicious, and before I knew it, it was time for me to head off to the train station. To my next city in Poland. My train ride here was a little rough. When I went up to go buy tickets, the machine told me there were no seats left on the train, and I wasn't quite sure what that meant until I got to the train. It meant that I had to stand for the entire 3.5-hour train journey. It was a little rough, but I'm here, and that's all that matters. Can anybody guess where I am? I'm gonna keep that a secret until tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series in Poznan. I will catch you in... Hello everybody, and welcome to